is yours? You see, it's yes. It's damn good, is it? Okay, I like that. So have you guys tried?
Sedap.
So how was it? Sangat sedap.
Dia sangat sedap sebab all balance. Dia tak manis sangat, tak pahit.
Okay.
Lepas tu ada rasa creamy memang sedap.
So the coffee lain My ingredients is premium. I use the mascarpone pun paling mahal. I use all Italian punya brand. So you nak tahu tak? I tak boleh minum coffee. I can't even drink coffee. Sikit pun tak boleh. So my heart dia kena rate apa kan. So I tak boleh. So bila I buat R&D benda ni, I memang jagalah sebab I nak makan kan. Tapi orang yang suka coffee pun they say it's so good. Dia macam balance, coffee cream kan, koko dia kan. Anak I boleh habis 2. My daughter tak manis sangat. Okay, it's a good feedback. Sebab I do this, I slept at 6 just now. I do fresh. Memang I buat sendiri. I do my own. I do all the cream by myself. So I panggil my sister, just packing, tolong packing je. Buat it lah, yes. Thank you so much.